Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chrysler PT Cruiser, and today we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper cover on it, if you need to replace it or you need to repaint it. So you need to remove the grille first. You can click on the video to see how to do that, and now right here we have the video on our channel. Now right here you have one bolt, one screw and one on the other side with a 7mm socket right there. So we need to remove those two first. Okay, now right here we need to remove that fender underliner piece, half of it. So there is three clips, plastic clips, so you need to pull the center piece out and then the outside piece come out like that. And we already got them loose, so we save you some time right there. Okay, now on the inside of the bumper right there you have two nuts, one there and one where the socket is, with a 10mm socket. You will need to remove those nuts. So okay, one of them came off and now we're getting the second one off. They're usually not very tight, but sometimes they get corroded there. It depends if you drive the car in snow and ice. Okay, right there, the second one. And now we need to go to the driver's side and we need to turn the tire to the right so we can access the clips on this side and we remove them. Okay, we have three clips again here, but as you can see ours is missing because that piece was loose. Somebody didn't put the clips and it was rubbing against the tire, so it's melted now and it's not there anymore. And again, on the inside of the bumper we have two more nuts with 10mm socket, just identical like the passenger side. Okay, one of them is off and now the second one. Okay, now all you need to do is just pull the bumper down right there in the corner. The bolts are holding it, and come on this side and it already got loose. And as you can see, the bumper came right off. So that's the whole procedure for removing and replacing the bumper on a Chrysler PT Cruiser. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.